evening in the Philippines and good morning in the U.S. Today is Tuesday. The date? Trying to figure that out still. The date is October 15th, and I am currently in Canabatuan in the Philippines. So it's going to be quite difficult to help to basically manage this recording as well as trade because I'm only using one screen. So before I go on, here is the disclosure. So any comments or any statement in this recorded webinar should never be stated or should never be taken as an order to enter trades. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congresso system. So neither should it be considered as a recommendation or advice to take a specific trade. I must emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor, and once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, here's the economic calendar. If I can find where it is now. Economic calendar is right there. Really nothing that big. All orange folders. It's about FOMC members speaking, and that's about it. No red folder days here or red folder reports that's coming out here in the U.S. So I do not expect, unless we get a tweet from President Trump regarding this, basically the trade war that's going on with China. But I guess they've settled they've settled it, I guess, but it's not really in writing yet. So we may see a tweak or two that may spike the market. So that said, let me take this out. Look at the markets right now. I already closed on a trade here. Where is that? Right here. Closed position right there. I sold. Basically, the net profit is around 275. So if I can do one more trade, I'd be done for the day. So like I said, the market is what it's doing right now. As you can see from it has an upward trend. Briefly had a correction. Here's your upward trend, right? Had some consolidation going on there. Now I think it's breaking up to the upside. And usually when it hits this, I'm doing the fib levels as usual. And so I'm looking this to go up to at least my target would be up here somewhere. Let me get this up here. Expand this out. We'll see, like I said, I need one more trade and I should be done for the day. So I'll put this on mute and I'll talk to you guys right later.
you more.
Okay, with that trade, I should be done for the day. Let's look what I got. I didn't have my commission. 625 total profit, less commissions. That's around 378. That'd be here. Let me do this right here. So I forgot to enter my commission on this thing. So on one contract, it is, just to do this, divide by 378 times 2, 756 minus 625. That's my profit, 617. So I'm done for the day. Hopefully I'll talk to you guys tomorrow where I'm going to be, but I have to do my, I don't know, I have to do my webinar for my students. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow. Let me see if I can do it today. It's only 10 a.m., so I'll try to do that for an hour. So let me end this webinar right now. There's my profit, being my daily profit goal. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and hopefully I can record it just like this. Okay. Have a great day in the U.S. Have a good evening in the Philippines. God bless.